Have you ever wondered where the Muses, those enchanting goddesses of inspiration, truly came from? Their story begins in the shadowy realms of ancient Greece, where their origins are as mystical as their gifts. The Muses, traditionally said to be the daughters of Zeus and Mnemosyne, the goddess of memory, embody the spirit of creativity and knowledge. But delve deeper, and you'll find a tale steeped in drama and intrigue. Legend speaks of a competition between the Muses and the fierce Titaness, Cassiopeia, who boasted of her beauty and talent. Enraged, the Muses challenged her to a contest, claiming superiority in the arts. Their harmonious songs captivated the heavens, while Cassiopeia faltered. In a dramatic twist, the Muses not only won, but transformed Cassiopeia into a constellation, forever reminding mortals of pride's dangers. These 9 sisters, Calliope, Clio, Erato, Euterpe, Melpomene, Polyhymnia, Terpsichore, Thalia, and Urania, each represent different artistic domains. Their origins, shrouded in myth, invite us to reflect on creativity's essence and the fine line between inspiration and arrogance. Thus, the Muses continue to guide artists, poets, and thinkers, whispering their secrets from the stars above.